Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it in your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser. Okay. Alright, let me just quickly go through all of those customizations. Okay, got it. All we have to do right now is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options like the visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. You can change the time range right here, for example last 4 weeks or all time, it's totally up to you, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options. And here you've got them, so the saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. You can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. Okay, no thank you. We've got this information right here, deleted, which means that we just successfully removed the whole history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.